This is flight 703, 10 miles north.
Roger 703, welcome to European airspace. Join left runway, downwind, runway Tango 6.
What's going on? The doors are opening.
The next-gen Ford Ranger Raptor has arrived. And here's why you should be excited about it. It goes without saying, it's got the looks, bold and athletic to match exactly what this truck was designed for: performance. Under the hood is a Ford Performance-developed 3-litre twin-turbo V6 petrol engine, thumping out 292 kilowatts of power and 583 Newton meters of torque. You wanted it, we listened. The most powerful Ranger we've ever built. So no wonder it's got a reinforced chassis with unique suspension mounts, more responsive braking with an electronic brake booster, and a high-strength bash plate nearly twice the size of a standard Ranger. The other big news are the state-of-the-art Fox 2.5-inch live valve shock absorbers. Specifically tuned by Ford Performance, the dampers adapt in real time, constantly changing position up to 500 times a second to soak up the ruts while also giving you better control on road. Inspired by desert races, the new Ranger Raptor's exterior design has performance written all over it. And it continues inside, with unique Ford Performance seats in the front and the back. Better camera tech for reversing, and a new front camera for picking your path off-road. And an instrument cluster that is now 100% digital, meaning you can configure the display to better suit your needs. Think you can wrong foot a Raptor? Come on, you're gonna have to try harder than that. Raptor not only has a rear diff lock, it now has a front diff lock too. They're gonna get you up and over almost anything. Plus, no matter how challenging the terrain gets out there, Ranger Raptor has 7 different drive modes to handle it. These calibrate a whole host of things from traction control to how the steering responds. And it's worth making a noise about the selectable exhaust modes. You can decide to be nice to the neighbors or unleash your inner beast. This next-gen Ranger Raptor rewrites the rulebook for off-road performance. Excited? How could you not be? It's like a pure shot of auto adrenaline. The next generation Ford Ranger Raptor.